Hi folks, and welcome to Schick Happens. And before I get started on this Ohio Country Life vlog, I would sincerely like to thank everyone that watched my Memorial Day video. And if you shared it, thank you so much. I really wanted that to go out and for as many people to see that, just to remind them what that day is all about. So for all you guys that have watched it and shared it, thank you. We got our new beer fridge last Friday. I was really happy to see this come. I was sad to see the old one go. It had served us well for so many years. It just finally took a shit. We got a great deal on this at a local scratch and dent place, and it was free delivery, and they hauled the old one off, no charge. Oh, that was a pretty good deal. For the last 4 or 5 days, Lori and I have been going mad around this place trying to get project done. Project after project after project. And we were going to take it easy today. Today was going to be our one and only day to relax. And we got going on 3 or 4 more projects. As a matter of fact, she's out back around the pine and spruce grove right now, mowing the tall weeds. But I think once she gets that done, she's going to wrap it up for the day. We finally got our little 15-foot Intex pool up. We wanted to get it up a couple weeks ago. That didn't happen. Some more important things came along, but we finally got it up. And I'm glad, because it sounds like here in the next few days we're going to go from the 70s back into the 90s. So that'll be appreciated. There you see. And in speaking of pools, if the few of you that follow me over my other channel, Old Guy with Land, know what I'm going to use this for. I did end up planting a ton of plants this past weekend. I probably did up maybe 15 pots. This is what I have left here, and most of these begonias and impatiens and a few other things are for shade. It seems like shade plants are tough to find, but that's one of the big things we've been working on, is getting flowers planted, working on the landscape area, up around the garage and up towards the house. It just consumed a lot of time. And in addition to that, it seemed like I had made at least 5 or 6 trips into town to get mulch. We go through a lot of mulch here. Of course, I did use about 20 bags in the shooting range. Lori wasn't real happy about that. I did manage to get the last of my food plots in this weekend as well. I even went down to the neighbors with the Kubota and the tiller, and I think all in all got about 3 acres of ground worked up for him, and he got his plots in down there. And when I drove back and looked at the plots we put in 2.5 weeks ago, pleased to see and announce that I got some good growth coming out of them, about like that. And that shot of rain, 2 shots of rain we got 4 or 5 days ago, that really boosted those. And it sounds like we're going to get some more rain this week. One thing I did force myself to do every single evening, in a good way, was take the time to go back and fish. I'd go back, maybe an hour before dark, and fish anywhere from 20 minutes to 45 minutes. And that just helped me unwind, and I really enjoyed myself after these long days. As a matter of fact, I'm going to quit babbling here for a few seconds and share a clip that I had back at the wetlands the other day. I believe I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up, this Ohio Country Life vlog. Now, this coming Saturday, I'll be joining another YouTuber, Kyle from Dark 30 Outdoors. We're going to meet up at a lake, it's about right in between us, maybe a 2-hour drive apiece. And we're going to do something, I'm going to do something I've never done before in my life, and that's try to catch a muskie. So that'll be an interesting trip. I'm looking forward to it. I'll try to get a little bit of filming on it. We'll see how that goes. But aside from the filming and any possible videos, I'm really looking forward to this trip. And I hope I can at least catch one muskie. I've never caught one before in my life. Oh, and the Schickster, I think, will be posting a video Friday. Something about attracting rabbits in your backyard. So, for what it's worth, maybe you can look forward to seeing that. I appreciate you joining me here on Schick Happens, and until next time, cheers.